Thank you, seniors. Thank you, Mr. Haynes. Thank you, Diversity Club. And thank you guys for making this assembly truly a celebration of motivation and Martin Luther King's dreams. The Diversity Club would like to challenge all of you to embrace the race, erase hate, and take action. If you would like to talk about anything from today's assembly, all the people listed on the same place to talk about race and racism are available. We end today with the words of Dr. King. I refuse to accept the view that mankind is so tragically bound to the starless midnight of racism and war that the bright daybreak of peace and brotherhood can never become a reality. I believe that unarmed truth and unconditional love will have the final word. You are now dismissed. Please go to your third period.
That speech was fire, dog. I heard that speech before.
Hey, this nigga with the motherfucking Bluetooth in his ear.
Yeah, no.
I was like, who the fuck
Hey, bro, you got jumped by Bobby, dog.
Who?
That kid with the suit. Holy family.
I swear.
I know. Hey, you were like Joey Cage. He's so
Here's a sack, bro. Oh, man, good. You call me King.
Oh, my bad. Hey, that's KO. Yes, sir. I'm at KO. Where's Aaron at?
They'll all be back here in just a minute. They're just passing out this guy.
You guys are on the winner Monday, right?
A large, yeah. I don't know of all of them, but a large
I appreciate your time. Thank you, bro. Good luck in your future. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Hey.
You did a great job. With the symphony rock.
That's my brother.
Probably come up with
That's my brother, Ryan.
Miss McKinney. Still going.
Okay.
But I got